Managing tasks effectively is key to streamlining your business operations, and SuiteDash offers some useful features to help with just that. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through how to manage SuiteDash tasks for efficient business operations, but stick around because I'll also be revealing a powerful alternative that might suit your needs even better. So, first off, let's dive into SuiteDash's task management features. When you start a project in SuiteDash, you can easily create tasks for you and your team. The software allows you to assign deadlines, track progress, and make sure everyone is on the same page. However, the task management system isn't as flexible as some other project management tools. It's great for basic task delegation, but can feel a bit rigid if you're looking for more advanced customization. Next thing, SuiteDash lets you set priorities and organize tasks into categories. While this works well for basic task organization, if you're managing multiple projects at once, things can start to get cluttered. The categories help, but without deeper filters or more intuitive search options, finding specific tasks can take a bit of time. Now, the third thing I want to mention is SuiteDash's communication features. Each task allows you to add comments and feedback, which is great for team collaboration. However, you might find that the communication system isn't as seamless as it could be. Compared to competitors, it doesn't always give you the real-time notifications or integration with other tools that some businesses rely on for quick communication. Moving on, SuiteDash allows file sharing within each task. This is another useful feature for keeping everything in one place, especially when your team needs to reference documents or share updates. But if you need extensive document collaboration tools or better version control, you may run into some limitations. Another point is how SuiteDash integrates with other software. While it's capable of connecting with some third-party apps, it doesn't have the same breadth of integrations as other platforms. If you rely on specific apps like Slack or Google Workspace for communication or file management, you might find this a bit restrictive. Now, here's the part where I'm going to introduce a game changer. While SuiteDash is a solid option for those who want more flexibility, a broader range of integrations, and a truly intuitive task management system, I recommend checking out Competitor Name. This platform offers all the same features SuiteDash has, but with a lot more customization options, a more powerful communication toolset, and better integration with apps that you likely already use in your business. Before we wrap up, I have a special bonus for you. If you're considering SuiteDash, we've secured an exclusive extended free trial for you. But don't just stop there. Check out the alternatives I've mentioned, because they might just be the right fit for your business's unique needs. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits only for our viewers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all the options to find the perfect task management tool for your business.